In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit property groups in HubSpot, allowing you to organize your customer relationship management, or CRM, cleanly and efficiently. Before we dive into the process, let's briefly talk about what property groups are. Think of property groups as folders within HubSpot. They help you organize related fields or properties under distinct headings. For example, you might have property groups like billing info, customer lifecycle, or deal details. Each of these is neatly organized within CRM objects such as contacts, companies, or deals. This system of organization can significantly streamline how you manage and view your data, making it easier to find exactly what you need when you need it. Now, let's begin with creating a property group. First, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. Once you've done that, look for the settings icon, which appears as a little gear symbol. It's usually located in the upper corner of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on this icon. In the settings menu, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the option for CRM. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Properties. Within the Properties section, you'll notice some tabs at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to choose the specific CRM object you're working with, whether it be contacts, companies, or perhaps deals. Simply click on the drop-down and make your selection. At this point, look for the Groups tab, which will guide you to where you can manage property groups. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a button that says Create Group. Click on this button, and you'll be prompted to give your new property group a name. It's essential to choose a name that clearly describes the properties you're going to group under it. Once you've named your group, go ahead and click the Save button to finalize the creation of your new property group. Congratulations, you've just created a property group in HubSpot. Next, let's talk about editing a property group. You'll start in the same Groups tab we navigated to before. Look through the list of existing groups and find the one you wish to change. Once you've spotted it, hover over the group's name, and you'll see the option to edit. Click on Edit and make the changes you need. This could be something as simple as updating the group's name to better reflect its purpose. Once you've made your edits, don't forget to click Save to ensure your changes are applied. And there you have it, a simple way to create and edit property groups within HubSpot. Enjoy the efficiency and clarity this brings to your CRM organization, making managing your contacts, companies, and deals much more manageable. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.